Hi, and welcome to the 6 p.m. news report. Today we have the snake specialist Alberto and the ecosystem specialist Roberto. Today the discussion is going to be about the Crotalus durissus, better known as the tropical rattlesnake. So welcome to this interview. Now we are with Alberto, the snake specialist. What can you tell us about this snake, the Crotalus durissus?
Well, first of all, hello to all the spectators.
So, the Crotalus durissus, better known as the tropical rattlesnake, is a reptile that is present in the Colombian dry forests and in other places of Latin America like Venezuela, Argentina, and Brazil. This snake feeds from rabbits, mice, and other little mammals, but it rarely eats lizards and other kinds of little reptiles. It measures approximately 30 to 160 centimeters. It is one of the most poisonous snakes in Latin America and it is actually in danger of extinction.
So now we are with Roberto, the environmental specialist. What is the impact of this animal in the environment and how does it adapt to this biome?
Okay, hello for everyone. Thanks for the invitation.
The Caribbean dry forest characterized to have a strong presence of no rain, and these territories are present principally in places of the Caribbean and places of Santander and north of Santander. This ecosystem suppose that cover more than 9 million of hectares, which now there are just 8%. The principal causes of reduction in the ecosystem is the deforestation and the agricultural production.
Roberto, can you tell us about the human impact in this environment?
Okay, for the environment where the snake lives, humans have been causing many problems. Those problems are deforestation, mining, and the hunting.
Question for you, Alberto. Which are the most important biotic factors that help to the population of this species of snake?
Well, first of all, the first factor that must be mentioned is the fact that the populations of mice and rabbits are large, so it can be a good source of food for the species. The second factor that it must be mentioned is the fact that the snakes doesn't go hunting, so the population of mice and rabbits have larger time to reproduce and make more and have more sources to survive, and it helps to give the snake species more food, because if it reproduces more, there's more food for the snake species. And the third factor is that there are large birds in the environment, so this factor affects that those large birds eat this kind of snakes, so it helps to keep the population of snakes controlled, and it helps to prevent the extinction of other species like the mice and the rabbits.
So, Alberto, Roberto, thanks for coming. We hope you to come back again and see you tomorrow at this hour.
Okay, you are welcome.
You're welcome, Carmen.